Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose. Shelly's still sleeping. I got a few things I got to do today. I finished mulching the backside of the front yard here near the gate, and I decided that basketball rim and backboard needs to go. Because the first of all, I need the rocks to fill up gaps in my rock garden, and it's just in the way. And I'm afraid I'm going to hit it when I back up. My trailer. So, and it's so windy around here. I have it strapped in now, and it just looks a little messy because I have it strapped in. I'll show it to you guys. So, but what I have keeping it down is a big tub, and in that tub is all these rocks that I need for the rock garden. So, what I need to do is just right now I'm scooping all those small rocks into a bucket, and I'm going right around the fence to drop it off. Yeah, it's going to be a nice project, and I'm going to put the basketball court, basketball rigmarole in the front, and I'm going to put on there free. That is all I have. I'm going to take you along with me. I don't know how interesting it's going to be, but hey, landscape is landscape. Little by little, it's looking good. Alright. This is what me and Shelly did. We mulched right here. She put that angel down. She got that from her mom. And I trimmed down my bush a little bit. Mulch over here. This used to be all rock, but I changed it to mulch. Mulch over here. Trim my bush down so the new stuff can grow. And this is all the rock that I need to take out. It was full to the top. I need to take that out and put it in the bucket and stick it right around the corner. I have it high right now because of the trailer. I didn't want to hit it.
In every petal, in every tree, this loving landscape is you and me. So let's plant our roots, make this love eternal. In the garden of life where these flowers. Backyard vision, let me take a moment. Pull out the tools, got the crew, let's own it. Turning dirt to dreams, flowers in the dome. With every little detail, I'm loving my home. Shaping life in color, it's a masterpiece. Let's do some landscaping, watch us thrive. Creating our own world, feeling so alive. Bringing green to the scene with the perfect view. In the yard of my heart, there's always room for you. Planting roots deep, yeah, you know how we do. Paving paths of love, just me and you through. A garden of ambitions where hope blooms strong. In the sacred space, we'll prove them wrong. Time to grow together, let's break.
Alright, I got that thing down. Wasn't too hard. I'm going to put it up front. Once the trash is taken, I'm going to put it in the front yard. Put free on it. See if anybody takes it. Trash is coming, I think. This thing's looking good. Gotta go get it inspected.
Come and join us on this journey. Subscribe today. We are the Gonzo Book crew, here to show you the way. Shelly and Jose, ready for an adventure on our YouTube channel. Membership is our pleasure.
So right now I'm down. I'm not sure what time it is. But I'm gonna sit down, get some coffee, relax, watch some YouTube.
2 hours later.
Welcome back. I'm Jose. I'm going to clean the RV out before I start moving stuff up to that next room. I need to clean this out before Sunday because we're going to be dropping it off at the RV dealership to get it inspected. Alright. You have this, right? I was trying to get this apart. I can't do it. It is suction in there. It's hard to get out. I can't do it. But there's a trick. I remember on YouTube, you just get some air in between and it comes right out. Find a place where you can try to put the nozzle in. And it comes right out. Keep that in mind so you're not sitting there trying to break it, or you might crack, because these things are not the sturdiest thing, they can crack. So put a little air in there, pops right on there. So that was your, oops, I almost stuck it back. That was your tip, your weekly tip. I didn't invent that, I found it on YouTube.
Friends who truly care, with laughter and joy, our stories will unfold. Join the fun, let our tales be told. Together we'll laugh, together we'll play. Join our YouTube channel membership. The Gonzo Book crew, come along and grip. Our adventures will leave you on a high. Shelly and Jose, under the red sky. YouTube channel membership. The Gonzo Book crew, come along and grip. Our adventures will leave you on a high. Shelly and Jose, under the reggae sky.
We are all about getting out and exploring what life has to offer. Our speed is not fast. We take our time.
Alright, all I gotta do now is get the rumble in here
Embracing the journey.
to do at least one sweep around. I'm gonna bring the
Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo
slide in so the rumble can get behind it.
Learn about the look. Come and join us. See which road we took.
Tomorrow's cleanup. It's just to wipe everything down.
Chasing dreams and
Secure stuff for the trip to the RV dealership that we're going to get it inspected. And that's about it. We're done. Got my slide in. That's how the windows look on the side there. Can you see it? It looks cool. Everything's ready. Almost ready. Alright. So, I'm not sure if I'm doing anything else, so I'll see you later. I got something to take out the wrinkles.
Flipping through the pages. Gonzo Book. This is not about reading. Everything about the look. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo Book. Flipping through the pages. This is not about reading. What about the look? Come and join us.
we're not gonna put that clock up there anymore. It just keeps falling down. So we put a cross up. We have a lot of these. You can use that to hang up some stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I need a battery for it, but that's my clock. That's our new clock. And hopefully I got it straight. Yep, it's straight. And it has the temperature and everything, and I'm gonna have to put some more batteries in there. Alright, we are done for today. I did some yard work. I got the basketball court tore down. That's about it. And then we did
Sorry guys. Hi guys.
Alright, so that was it. And then we cleaned the RV a little bit, the floor mostly, and took everything, all my tools back out. And so it's ready to be inspected.
Yep.
Do you have anything, babe?
No, we just have so much to do in that garage. From when my mom passed away, we have so much furniture. So we're gonna try to put some on Marketplace so that people can take it. So we have a lot more to do.
Yeah, tomorrow we're taking all of that furniture that belongs in the guest room upstairs.
Yeah.
And we're going to put it in that room and dress it up and hang up pictures and all that good stuff. So that's tomorrow.
And tomorrow is Ryvre's 14th birthday. Happy birthday!
14!
14.
3 more years and she's out of high school.
Oh, 2 more to drive. Yeah. So,
2, and then so it's 4 years. Oh yeah, you need 4 years.
yeah.
Alright, so you got anything? Ruby, you got anything?
No,
Happy birthday.
thank you.
And we'll see you on the
The
other
other
side.
side. Bye.
You, baby.